Okay, here we are. 7th floor. It's the Luxor 2-bedroom tower suite. So we have a lovely couch and seating area here. No. So we'll start off with a little dining area and the bar. The bar has a fridge. Oh. Lots of cupboards. And here's
Excalibur.
And there's the Excalibur and the New York. Is that what? Oh, that's Excalibur pool? Yeah, Excalibur. Yeah. And then here's the big room. Same view. Nice little dresser. What is this? Closet. Another closet.
Closet.
All right, I'll take your word for it. Ooh, a little seating area here to do makeup. Double sinks. And stand-up shower and bathtub. So let's head on over to the King Connector.
Room number 2.
Room number 2. It's perfect because we have 2 other couples with us here this weekend, so lots of seating. There we go. Of course, the usual. We love the tower. And the basic washroom. So there it is. Room tour of a 2-bedroom tower suite at the Luxor.
Thanks for stopping by.